What's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTrex back with another video, and today we are looking at the Synco mic M3. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of unboxing just like this one. Make sure to hit that like button as well so that we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one yourself, I'll link this down in the description below. Go ahead and check out my merch below as well at 1130.ca. And here we go. So here today we're looking at another condenser mic, I believe. This is a microphone for your vlogging experience. You know, if you want to start a YouTube channel, this is perfect one for you. So let's go ahead and test it out. Let's see how well it does and go ahead and judge how well it does in the comment below. We'll open it up. Boom, boom. Again with the handy little knife we got here. Let's go use the proper knife tool. Boom. Now that's the one. That's the one. Yes. There we go, finally. Let's open this guy up. Let's see what's inside. Boom, none there. Toss that out. Oh, that's a great addition. Little bag. Cool, cool, cool. Of course, I put it upside down. And that's the literature on how to use it. Let's put that on the side. And right there, Synco. This is, to be honest, this packaging is not that good, but we're just gonna keep going. What kind of cable they gave us? Put that on the side, we don't need that. We got some camera and microphone. Okay, it tells you which one it is, camera and microphone. Cool, I like that cable. Just a normal camera slash microphone mic. Now let's check this out. Hopefully this one's for microphone and the phone. So I like how they give you both instead of like if you buy a Rode Micro and you're not sure which one to buy, make sure to get the one with TRRS and TRS cable, two sets of cables, or else that won't work for your phone. So in this case it comes with both anyway, so that's pretty cool. Great addition for sure. And then that's it. Let's put that on the side. There you go. So basically it's a pretty cool mic. Usually what I have is something that goes over this when it comes with condenser mic. This is actually built in, I believe. I don't know if you are able to take that off or not, but that's pretty cool. I like that design. It is plasticky on both sides, even the mic and the thing itself. So keep that in mind if you're buying this. I really like the rocking style there, so that's not bad at all. On the mic itself, it says there that you can adjust the volume to plus 10 or 0 or minus 10, so that's not bad at all. Different features as well. This is definitely something new that I've seen compared from before. On the back, it has a mic slot and a headphone jack slot, so that's a great addition as well. So what we'll do here is we're going to use our iPhone 6s Plus for the camera itself. We're going to test out a smartphone and we're going to also use a camera. So make sure we use the right cable here. This is the camera and we need the smartphone version. So this is the smartphone version right there. Boom. Good. We're going to put this on the mic back right there. There you go. Good to go. This mic right here also needs a battery, I believe. It needs 2 AAAs. So now we have the 2 AAAs. Go ahead and put that on there. Da-da-da. No idea how to put this on. Yeah. There you go. Boom. Cool. Now that it's on, you just have to put that back like that. On and off button right there. Now let's put this here and you're good to go. So we're gonna test out a few things here and see how well it does. So we're gonna try to mount this on top of this, just like that. Boom. Mic test, mic test. This is the Synco mic. This is in 0 decibels. Testing it out right now. Let's see what you think of it. So now let's go ahead and adjust this to 10 decibels. Let's see how loud it gets. Test, test, test. This is the Synco mic. Again, if you think this is better than the 0 decibels, go ahead and comment below. So now, let's go ahead and do the minus 10. Test, test, test. This is the Synco mic test, minus 10 decibels. There you go. Let's see what this is, if this is better or not. Again, I'm gonna try to, I'm not gonna edit this or anything like that. I'm just gonna upload it as is, as how it comes out from the mic. With that, we're gonna go ahead and do the other option, which is the straight line right there. If you know what that is, comment that below as well. So earlier we were using the one with the curve, the non-straight option there. We're gonna do the straight one right now. Again, we're gonna go to 0 decibels. This is the Synco mic test as well with 0 decibels once again with the straight line on the back of the microphone. Now let's gonna do the plus 10 right there. Now let's do the plus 10 decibels test. That's pretty cool. Let's see, comment below as well if this is better or not. And now let's flip it to minus 10. This is the minus 10 decibel for the Synco mic mic test. If you think this is better, go ahead and comment below. So there you have it. So now the next thing we're gonna test here is the microphone jack on the back. So hopefully, if for those of you who want to hear yourself, or maybe you are a singer or something like that, you can go ahead and put in your headphones through this headphone jack, and you'll hopefully be able to hear yourself live while you're singing. So let's go ahead and test that out. So we have our earbuds here now. We're gonna go ahead and put this on our ear, and then we're gonna test it out. And then we're gonna put this in the back of the Synco mic. There you go. Let's turn this on. Oh, wow. I like that. That's pretty good. So let's go ahead and flip this to 0 decibel. Now turn it down a bit. Let's see how well that does. And with this, you can hear everything. I like this. It really, definitely this would help you on your music career if you want to use this for your YouTube channel and you're singing and you want to hear yourself and see where your tones are. You'll be able to use this fairly well. Like, you can use this for ASMR as well. I can hear myself like, I can hear that. That's pretty cool. Can you hear that on your camera? But I could hear it here. How about this? Can you hear this? I could hear it on here. Ah, special, special. Okay, let's do a video now. Let's test it out. And this is the Synco mic test. Basically, this is us hearing ourselves from the microphone jack on our earbuds right here. That's pretty cool. I can hear everything. Probably this is the best if you're starting up a ASMR YouTube channel or something like that along those lines, maybe a singing career, and you want to test out your voice or something like that. You can use this definitely. Oh, I love this. This is pretty cool. So if you put this on the right side like this, then it would pick up from it'll still pick up your voice, but not as well as you could see here if you point it towards you. And as if I put it on the right side, it wouldn't um, it wouldn't pick it up as well, but you could still hear the quality of the voice. So I like that. That's pretty cool. This is definitely something to look at. I like this. Genuinely, if you out, oh, that's plus 10. No, 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 no. Let's put it down. Let's put it down to minus 10, probably. It gets pretty loud with then. How about that? Boom! Boom! So with me yelling like that, it does kind of distort the voice. Check, check, check. It does a little bit, but not too much. So that's pretty good. This is something definitely that you can use to hang above your head or something like that, and it'll pick up every ambient noise, or it'll pick up your voice whichever angle you want it to. So that's pretty cool. I'm starting to enjoy this mic definitely with hearing my voice through the earbuds here. I like how it has the two headphone jacks, or the mic jack and also the headphone jack right there. That's a great addition. It does need two AAA batteries, which I think is useful, which is okay. I think it wouldn't use that much power anyway, to be honest. And for the quality and for what you get out of it, I think it's well worth it. My phone right now is turned off. I can take it off the phone there, put it down like that, and just use this for hearing my voice. You can use this independently without any connection. So you'll be able to go around and use this microphone to hear yourself, especially when you're singing and you don't have any camera or any phone or anything like that, and you're just using and recording your voice, and you just want to hear yourself just for tests or something like that. You can use this directly without even connected to anything. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Wow, this is a really good mic. And that's it for today, guys. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that like button below so that we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to subscribe as well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of something cool like a mic, like just like this one. If you want to get one yourself, a Synco mic like this, I'll link this down in the description below. Go ahead and check out my merch below as well at 1130.ca. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys have a good day. Wear your mask out there. Keep that social distancing, physical distancing going. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace! Wow, that was good. Wow.